Hi, I'm Gary Smith, GMB Scotland Secretary. Short message for all of you, our members in engineering construction, including those of you who work offshore. I just want to talk to you briefly about future prospects as we see it for the sector, oil and gas, engineering construction generally, and I want to talk briefly about the renewables industries as well. Now, most of you, if not all of you, will have worked on sites that are dependent on oil and gas. That includes the chemical sector. And many of you, of course, will have worked offshore. And over the past period, we have been extremely concerned that there's been pressure on the UK government to stop any future exploration for oil and gas in the North Sea. Our worry, of course, is that if they had stopped exploration in the North Sea, that would have an impact on jobs, both offshore, but also at sites potentially across Scotland as well. And of course, despite what anybody would say, if we stop extracting oil and gas from the North Sea, it's not going to mean that we stop using and burning oil and gas or using gas for production. It simply means that we have to import more oil and gas, and already we are importing massive amounts of the oil and gas that we use from all across the world. So the fact that the UK government has resisted attempts to stop further exploration in the North Sea is, in our view, at this stage, the right thing to have been done. Now, there is a transition taking place in energy. There is more renewables coming on stream, but the truth is the jobs in fabrication and manufacturing around offshore and onshore wind have all invariably been exported. We are producing the renewables industries halfway around the world and towing it here on barges, and then it's erected off our coastlines or on our hillsides. And no union has done more to fight for renewables jobs. It was this union that has been leading the fight and the battle for BIFAB, and it is this union that has exposed the scandal of all this opportunity, all these potential jobs that have been exported. So in GMB Scotland, we are going to continue the fight for the renewables jobs of the future, but unapologetically, we are also going to fight to defend real jobs in the real world here and now. Please be assured that your union is absolutely committed to fighting to defend your jobs and your future prospects. And if we stick together, if we keep campaigning and we keep fighting, we may yet create the jobs of the future in the renewables industry that we all want to see.